Okay, children, moving on to exercise 8.1 of your textbook, page 168, question number 2. You have to write the decimals in the place value table. Whenever you have a word place value table, you have to make the table in this way, in this form. Okay, these are the question numbers given in the textbook. Okay, first of all check all the 4 numbers. We need a 100 column because in the D we have a number or a digit that will come into the 100 column. So hundreds, tens, ones. These are the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. These all are before decimal number. These are the place values before decimal number. After decimal, before decimal point. After decimal point, we have the place value 1 upon 10. That is tens, TENTHS. 1 upon 100. That is hundreds. That we will see later. Till 1 upon 10, that is tens, you remember for exercise 8.1. Now 19.4, you have to keep the numbers according to the place value. So 100 we do not have any digit, so tens 1, ones 9, and point, after point we have 4, so it will go in the decimal point. After that decimal point column, that is 1 upon 10, so point 4 will come here. 0. Okay, now continuing with the next number 0.3. So again 0 means we do not have any digit in hundreds, tens, but we have digit, we do not have any of the digits in before place value number, that is all the 3 hundreds, tens and ones will be 0, and after decimals so we have point. Okay, the third one also is similar, that is C of question number 2 is similar. Coming on to number D, that is 205, that is 205.9. So in hundreds now we have a number, that is the place value of 2 is in hundreds, so 2 will be written in hundreds column. 0 will come in tens as we do not have a number, 5 in ones, and after point we have 9, so 1 upon 10, that is tens column, 9 will be written. Coming on to question number 3, write as decimals. Children, whenever you solve the exercise as a part of your homework or when you have to copy the sums in your classwork, please take a textbook with you and sit, as I am not writing the whole questions in my videos. You have to write the questions and then you will solve the sums either in the classwork or homework, both. Okay, write as decimals. Here they had given in words, but I had not written in words. I had directly solved the answers. Now they had given 7 tenths, means 7 upon tens. TENTH means upon 10. 7 tenths. How will you convert it into decimal? Write 0 before 7 to make it 2 digits. So 07. As in 10 we have only 1 0. So counting from the right, there is 7. 1 digit only, put a dot. So 0.7 is the answer. Then 29 tenths. 20 tenths, 9 tenths is given in the sum. So 20 tenths. So you have to write 20, not 2. 2 is of 1's place value and 20 is of 10's place value. So 29 upon 10, right? So 20 is a whole number that will be written before decimal point, and this fractional part 9 upon 10. As we have 1 0 in 10, we will keep dot before 9. Okay children, I have not added here 0. Why? Because as I am here having only 2 digits, right? And I am having 20 already in the whole number. So I can combine this 209. See, I just solved here so it will be clear to you. 29 upon 10. When I want to convert this into decimal, I can either write like this. Barabar? When we combine the whole number with the numerator, before the numerator, this will be 209 divided by 10. We want 2 digits. Here there are already 3, so we need not have to add any 0. Now in 0, as I have only, in 10 I have only 1 0, so I have to keep 1. After counting 1 digit, we have to keep a decimal point. So 209. Start from here, you have to count 1 digit, right, from the right. So 1, I counted 1, as I have 1 0, I counted 1 digit and then keep a dot. So your answer is 20.9. and I am already having the numbers more than the denominators, so I do not have to add a 0. 14.6, they had clearly written that 14 in a words, FOURTEEN, 0.6. So 14 is a whole number, then point is a decimal point, and then after 6. Then they had written 102. So 100 means 100. On the place value of hundreds I have 1. On the place value of tens I do not have any number, so 0. And on the place value of ones I have 2. Here they had not given a decimal point number. Then comes 600.8. Right? So these are the answers of question number 3. Coming on to question number 4. They had given in this way the sums, and we have to write it in decimal part. So 5 upon 10, now it is clear to you, it is 0.5. 3 plus 7 upon 10, this is the expansion form. If you remember, we had seen in the expansion part, the very first step. So 3 is alone, so this is on one's place value. So when you combine, you remove plus sign and combine this with the numerator. So 37 upon 10. Right, this will be 37 upon 10, and then how you will convert it into decimal. Here there are 2 digits, here also there are 2 digits. As that we have 1 0, count 1 digit from the right and we put a dot. So 3.7 is your answer. Here 260 plus 5 and 1 upon 10. So combine all these 3 numbers, removing the plus sign. 265. You have to combine the number, removing the place value zeros. So 265.1. After 5 we have tens number, 1 upon 10. So this will be after point 1 will come. 70 plus 8. 70 plus 8 upon 10. This is tens. So it will be remain as it is, because we have 7 on the tens place value, 0 on the ones place value. Then we have 8 upon 10, that is a point. After point the number should be written. So 0.8. These are the sums I have given you for a homework as a part of practice. Okay, now here they had given 3 upon 2. Denominator is not 10, nor 100, nor 1000. Convert it into 10 or 100 or 1000. Multiply 2 with such a number that it will give you denominator 10. So 2 5s are 10. The same will be multiplied 5 with 3. 15 upon 10, 1 upon 5 is the answer. This is the same method what we had done. Now coming on to k. This is a mixed fraction. You can see 4 1 upon 2. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 4 2s are 8. We multiply denominator with whole number. The answer will be added with the numerator. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. Again 2, multiply 5 to get your denominator 10. So 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10, 4.5. Children, the most important thing you have to remember here, so if the denominator is not 10 or 1000 or 100, please by multiplying the number, same number in the numerator and denominator, you have to first convert your denominator either into 10, 100 or 1000, and then only it will be converted into decimal numbers. Okay, moving on to question number 5.